Mom smiled at the cashier, but then her face suddenly changed. In this slow English story, you will find out what happened when her wallet was gone.
Saturday morning.
Mom, are we shopping?
Yes, just a few things.
Yeah, I'm glad. Just a few things?
Yes.
That means many things. Apples.
We need apples.
We always need apples. Red ones?
Yes.
The shiny ones?
Not too shiny.
I can help.
Good helper.
I know.
Thank you, Lily.
You're welcome, Mom. I am very professional. Bread next.
Bread toast.
For breakfast?
For toast.
Nice. This bread looks good.
Soft.
Very soft. Milk?
Yes.
Big milk? Small milk. Can we buy eggs? Eggs? Please? Okay. Really?
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 Yes.
Careful. I know.
I know.
Eggs break. I know.
I know.
Vegetables too?
Yes.
For me?
For everyone. That is not a few things.
It is a few big things. I'm hungry. Already? Shopping makes me hungry. Apples, bread, milk, eggs.
And snacks?
Nice try. Checkout time.
Finally.
Be patient, little shopper. Hello? Hello? Did you find everything? I think so.
Beep. That sounds expensive. Lily. Mom, your wallet.
Yes, I have it. Wait. What? 1 second.
Oh no.
Oh no. What? Oh no. Is it bad?
Maybe.
How maybe? Check again.
I am checking.
Check deeper. Take your time. Thank you. I forgot my wallet.
Really?
Really? I'm sorry.
It's okay.
It's okay. Very sorry. I can help. You have money? Maybe. I have 1 crayon.
Not enough.
Not even close. It is okay. Really?
Really?
Yes. Please don't worry. Breathe, Mom.
I am breathing.
Good.
Good.
Call Dad. Yes. Dad can help. Dad? Mom forgot her wallet. Lily.
Lily. Huh. Again?
Not again. Maybe again. Can you bring it? Of course. Thank you. Found it.
Where was it?
On the table.
I'm coming now. Fast,
Fast.
safe, and fast.
Dad is coming.
Good.
Very good. We can wait. Thank you. No problem.
Haha.
It is okay, Mom.
I know.
You look worried. You are my little helper. Professional helper.
There he is.
Dad.
Wallet delivery.
Dad is here.
Finally.
It was 5 minutes. Here you go. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. My wallet.
Your best friend?
Today, yes. Don't worry. It happens.
Mom paid for the food. Finally. Lily.
The food went into bags. Apple's safe? Apple's safe.
Here is your receipt. Thank you. No problem. Thank you for your help. You are welcome. Bye.
Bye.
Check the wallet next time. We are done.
And we paid.
Good job, wallet. I carried this
Carefully.
very carefully. My poor handbag. Not poor. Empty. Next time, I will check my bag. Promise? Promise. Good. Lily is the boss now. Let's go home. With food. And the wallet.
Check your wallet, Mom.
Yes, little teacher.
Next time, wallet first. Food second.
Good plan.